said leave my sister alone.
Young man, sorry, drop the knife.
No! Leave my sister!
Don't harm yourself or anybody. Drop the knife.
I'm not dropping the knife.
Okay.
Leave my sister.
Okay. Okay. What are you waiting for? Let the sister go. Oh, yeah. This is your sister. Now, will you drop that knife or I kill her? Drop the knife at the count of 3. 1, 2. That way. Hold on, behind you. You can't escape from the great Ojobo. Never.
He's coming back.
Oh, how are you? Nice to see you. Good to see you. You're welcome. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Welcome. Oh, nice to see you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Lazarus.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Welcome back.
How have you been?
I've been fine.
I came by their house and you went there.
Really?
Yes. Oh, well. I'll see. Let me just greet everybody around. We have a lot to catch up on. Oh, by the way, where's your wife?
Oh, she just stepped out to ease herself.
Oh, good, good. I get to meet her. Look, nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Thank you all. I really appreciate you. It's been quite a long time away from home, and I miss home. Nice to see you, that everybody is looking all well and good. A big round of applause for yourselves. Nice, nice. I just want to say I feel so warmly welcomed and happy to see everybody. I truly miss home. I miss home. And I want to say, with all the experience I gathered from the white man's land, all of us are going to work hard to make this community big, economically viable, and great. Something we'll all be proud of. So clap for yourselves. I want to join me in saying a big thank you to my longtime friend and my bosom friend, Sarah.
Officers on parade! Are you ready for this parade?
Yes, sir!
Are you ready for this parade?
Yes, sir!
Stand easy. Hands at your back. Parade will continue. Hands on your neighbor's shoulders. Good. Good. Hands down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Attention by numbers. One. Good. Good. Parade continue. Turn to your right hand side by number squad one. One. You are books. I said what?
We are boots.
You are books. Turn to your right hand side by number worry, you are still learning. Don't you right hand side and number for one! That's good. That's good. Correct yourself. Up! Fast!
Yes, sir.
Good. Count your right hand side and numbers for one. From my right hand side, take your numbers in arms and doers.
Out.
Doers! Doers!
Last number, sir.
Good! Arms! One step forward. Doers! One step backward in open order march. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now arms! Touch your left hand side by numbers for one. Good. Arms! Parade will still continue. Arms! One step backward in open order march. Want me to brush you? Careful. Parade, continue! Make up, go back. One step, go back. You, go back, one step. Now, doers! Turn to your left hand side by numbers for one. That's good. Position yourself for that breaking exercise. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Position. Want me to show you an example? Position. Good. Now bring your axe down. You will fall. Are we all there?
Yes, sir.
Are we all ready?
Yes, sir.
Arms! Exercise will commence from arms. From the front, exercise commence. Continue. Doers, follow join. Don't worry, next time I will teach you how to get it better.
All right, sir.
Adwaya, it's okay for today.
Are you? Show your face, you old, poor, miserable wretches. Come out from your hiding. Come and face me, the lion. A man that has crossed 7 seas and 7 rivers, ate and dined with the white man. I, High Commissioner of Zula Kingdom. Come out! Show your face, you old, poor, miserable cocoyam farmer. Let me tear you apart. And what are you morons looking at? Go in there, tear the place down. Bring them out.
Jaja, please, have mercy on me. Please, I just need a little more time. I promise I'll pay you everything I owe you.
Please, sir. Please just give us just 2 days, 2 market days. And we'll pay you all that we owe.
Shut that poor silly thing you call a mouth up. You miserable whore. A shower.
Oh God. What sin have I committed?
A lot. Poverty, illiteracy, and betrayals, to mention a few. Come to think of it, your poor miserable father named you Lazarus and transferred your family curse of poverty to you and your generations. Teach them a lesson they will never forget.
No, please, please. Leave me alone.
Wow. Your beauty is amazing. Such an embodiment of beauty.
No! Leave her alone! You beast! Let go of her!
Okay. While I wait for my ransom, pending when you get the money, she will do. Bring her along with me.
No! No! Please, you can't sit back here and let them take her away. You have to do something. You can't sit back here and let them take her away. You have to do something, Father. You have to do something.
My daughter, what can a poor cocoyam farmer do? I cannot fight a high commissioner of government.
Mother, please do something. We all can sit back and watch him take her away, please. Lazarus, you have to do something. Lazarus, you have to do something. That man is evil and he will hurt her. I will not be alive and stand this. Not in my lifetime, Lazarus. If you don't do something about this, I will.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Come back here!
Agnes, please don't put me in trouble. You can't fight Jaja. He's a monster. God fight me.
this place at once.
Where is my daughter? Oh, I will make...
Well, what? Huh? Look, if you don't get your 2 left legs off my property this minute, you little rat, I've had enough of you. Now you tell that vegetable of yours you call a husband to pay me everything he owes, or I'll seize you and that whore of yours out there you call a daughter. Now get out of my property before I lose my temper.
Lose it! And I will tie it back for you. You're not just a disgrace to Sula land, but the entire white men that you traveled 7 seas and rivers to meet.
God! God!
Check out and give her a good beating.
No! Mary! Where's my daughter? Mary! No! I want my daughter! Leave me!
I don't want to ever see you here. What have you done, woman?
Yes! I want my daughter! Leave me!
Get in my life, now.
My car!
Get out of my car! Stay away from my car! Don't touch that car! Get on my property!
What have you done? What have you done, woman?
Take her up. Take her up and give her a good beating of a life she would never forget. My car. Such a wreck. Lazarus, I'll teach you and that whore of your wife and your children a lesson you'll never forget in a hurry. My car.
What happened? Where is your mother?
Jaja!
Huh? What happened? Talk to me.
Mother is in trouble! Jaja ordered is meant to beat her up!
Oh, Chai! I warned her. I warned your mother, but she will not listen to me. Now look at what stubbornness has brought to her. Huh?
Father, please do something, Father, please!
It's okay.
Please do something!
It's okay.
Thank you.
I'm not liking it though. You are afraid in me.
Eh? I'm afraid of you. Why will I be afraid of you, knowing who I am? With my gun, can't be afraid of you.
You afraid in me.
Wait, you mean I scared you?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm not liking it.
Okay, I see. Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just passing by on my normal, as officer that I am. I noticed you with your radio, or better still, your stereo. I decided to come in and say hi. You must have heard the news, the breaking news.
I'm not hearing anything.
You don't have BBC there?
I get him.
Oh, sit down. The news, or will I say the breaking news now as I'm talking to you, is that they changed Egypt. In fact, Egypt is now the central capital of Gold Coast in Congo land.
How?
Yes, that's the news now. Why are you crying?
Ow! I don't like what is happening now. Ow!
Why are you crying? You don't.
I pity now.
You pity who? You pity what?
I pity.
You pity
I pity Hitira. I pity Hitira.
Hitira. You pity Hitira.
I don't like this.
Why?
My father is saying if Hitler luring Egypt, he going Gold Coast. But now it's not happening. Hitler not happening again. Ow!
But Hitler, like you said.
Waiting. If Hitler going Gold Coast, Hitler is coming Zula. Hitler is coming Zula. Hitler is coming Zula. I like it. I like it.
Hitler will come to Zula.
I like it, Hitler. But what I say Hitler.
But Hitler is the president of Israel. No, Colombia.
Hitler. Coming Zula. You like it, Hitler.
Well, he's not. He's the president of, I think, Colombia. Hitler, president.
I don't know what you're talking about. Me talking and Hitler is coming Zura. If Hitler not going...
Don't mind, welcome.
If Hitler not coming Gold Coast, he coming Zura. Me, I liking him. You liking him?
Yes. Hitler.
I happy though.
Yes,
I crying. I think Hitler,
But Hitler is the president of either Israel or Colombia. So he has nothing to do in Zulu. Although he's good, let him come to Zulu. So that we shall march, and we shall march. We shall. Marching, we shall march. We move to right and move to left. Who shall move to right? Who shall walk? Who shall walk? Who shall be? Who shall walk? And who shall walk? Who shall walk? Marching, we shall march.
I'm looking for my trading money. Oh, everything. I lost in it. My trading money.
You mean you lost your money?
Every money. Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it.
Looking well.
It's not here now. Check what inside.
My trading money. Wow. Thank you.
You found it.
My trading money. I giving you change. Bula bula. I like you, my brother. I like you, my brother. Ah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You give me my. Hey. Trading money. You give me. I give you. My brother.
Sorry, sir. Accept our sympathy. Yes, sir.
I'm very sorry about what myself. Take it. Very sorry, sir.
How can life be so cruel? What have I done to Jaja? Is it a crime to be poor? Jaja, you must surely pay for this.
Lazarus, please take heart. You see, the councils heard all that you have said, and we promise you, Jaja must be brought to justice. You see, my friend, when fighting a dangerous man like Jaja, you have to tread with caution. Because if you cook a bad food, the stomach will beat the drum you will dance. Else you will not live to tell the story.
I will fight Jaja with the last drop of my blood, if it's the last thing I will do.
I warn you, mind the choice of words you use against Jaja. If you don't want the heat, don't near the kitchen. He will kill you.
I am not.
Do anything about it.
I am not afraid of Jaja. What more can he do? Tell me, what more?
Jim.
My High Commissioner.
What do you have for me? What's the latest?
Imagine what that poor cocoyam farmer said. That he will deal with you. You are wicked, heartless, and a disgrace to the white man.
The poor cocoyam farmer, he said all that. I'll make him regret the day his father brought him into this world.
Oh, we all know you. Jaja the Great. Giver of life. The future of Zula land. The fearless warrior. The only man that has dined with the white man. The mouthpiece of the government. I hail you.
I understand you. I have a little token for you.
Ha!
Just wait for me.
Jaja the Great.
I really do. I really do.
What are you doing here?
I was not doing anything. Sorry, I was not doing anything. Only removing an ant from your clothes.
I'm not liking it too.
It's okay. It's okay. Feli, for how long will you continue to carry your radio about?
My father saying if you want to go to Budoibo,
Okay.
your race need to steal you.
Oh my God. And they want to go to white man's land?
No.
Uh-huh.
Look, let me tell you.
Okay.
My father, before he dead him, my father, he goes in, Obodoibo, every time, but in Dlim, he goes in.
Oh my God. Oh, your father goes into Budoibo.
In Dlim,
Oh my
he goes
God.
in. Look, my father, white man, he giving my father steal you. Missioner.
Oh, you mean to tell me that missionaries gave your father this gift?
Wow.
This radio as a gift?
Wow.
Oh my God.
I listening to Onyocha in my stereo.
Hey.
I listen, I go Bodoibo.
Are you
like
sure?
My father. Not in Dlim, you know.
Like your father. Wonderful, wonderful. Felicita, I've been meaning to ask you this question concerning your brother. This your brother's condition, I mean he's deaf and dumb. Is it from birth?
Not from birth, you know. My father dead him, affecting him too much. Affecting him very, very much.
So sorry about that. In that case, let me help. I want to help now. I would like you and I to sell your brother to slave traders. Let them use him when they get to white man's land. Let them use him to do experiments.
Sorry, my brother. My brother, only thing I get it. I'm not selling it. I'm not writing it. I'm not selling. I'm not writing it.
No, by the way.
Anyway, today is Agnes' burial. So I just want you to follow me so that you learn how to cry if you lose your brother.
Yeah, I crying very, very well. Oh. Very well. When my father dead, I cry. When my mother dead, I cry. I cry.
You can
I
cry.
cry very, very well.
You're perfect in crying.
Yeah, I know really.
Don't worry.
I cry very, very well.
And you'll continue to be crying. Okay.
No. Jaja and his men are here.
Father.
Listen. He who fights and run away lives to fight.
Father, let's go. I can't
Go,
leave you here.
go, hide
I
yourself.
can't leave you.
Lazarus!
Please, move, please.
What are you doing on my wife's place? That is my wife! What are you going to do with her dead body?
Bring him here.
Go down. Go down.
That's your wife lying down there. I have better ideas on what I want to do with her corpse. I think she was too comfortable in the grave. Give her a final kiss goodbye. Close it and bring it along.
No! 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 No!
Carol, what do you intend to do now?
You see how wicked Jaja can be? That beast will never get away with it. I swear I will fight till the last drop of my blood.
Carol, you never cease to amuse me. Yes. Carol, take a good look at yourself. Carol, you are just a mere woman with a bone, trying to fight a well-armed man like Jaja with multiple bones. Not only that, a man that works in the company of thugs. Carol, where do you want to start this your fight from? Where will this your fight begin? Your father once said that he who fights and run away live to fight another day. And your mother, wherever she is now, she'll be very proud of you, seeing how brave you are in this your mission. But if you must fight Jaja, you must apply caution. Else, you are going on a suicide mission. Take my words. Take my advice. Sleep over it.
No, John. This is not your fight. It is my fight and I will carry it. And I will fight it. And I swear I will fight till the last drop of my blood. Besides, you're not even part of my family. So please, stay away from me. Stay away from me, John. Stay away from me. Please don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Please. Send me, please.
Hey, stop there. Can I see your hands up? Now turn round. Advance backward. Now turn. Run. It's okay. It's okay. They are slave traders from Zambia. Both of them liked you, and they were there casting lots on who should go with you.
Slave traders.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you so much. So much. Thank you. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Hey, you stop right there. Are you out of your mind? Who gave you the temerity to walk past without greeting us?
Oyenche, you are following Jaja to be speaking white man as a software. Look, let me tell you, I have termites. Before my father is dead, my father is supposed to go to Budo Yibo. But Ndiche do my father GBT, my father he doesn't go there again. So you see, me Felicita, I have termites. Inano?
Hey. How dare you speak to us in such ruthless manner? Are you okay?
Felicita, you have suffering though. Oyenche too. You are following me to be speaking white man as so. Eh? Oyenche 1, Oyenche 2, Oyenche 3. Is a phone make you not having sense in again? Eh? Is Jaja not telling you to boy a phone? He making you not having sense in again. Look, I don't have timing for your noise. It is painful in my ear. I need to listen to my lady. Inano?
Come. I see you don't have respect.
Ow! Amaka. Oyenche. Go.
My dear, Jaja is so wicked and heartless. So.
His end is near. You need to see how he ordered his men to beat up Carol's mother that led to her death.
He even went further to arrest the father during the funeral.
It's a lie. He must be a monster.
I wonder how such a man will be representing us in the government.
No, you have to protest.
Okay, wait. Rumor has it that he kidnapped Kate and made her his sex slave in his castle.
Jesus, God forbid.
I'm very serious.
Huh? You've not heard it. I'm just hearing it from you.
Okay.
Hey!
You have to be very, very careful.
I'm telling you.
I just want you to cheer up, you know? Cheer up. Okay?
John, I really want to thank you for everything. I wonder what we have done without you.
It's okay.
But all I know is that one day, Jaja must surely pay for all his atrocities in this village. He must surely pay.
Yes, see me as a brother you have never had. Since I lost my parents, I've lived alone in this wicked world, without anybody by my side as a member of my family. But now I have seen that family in you. So let's keep going. What is it? Why your face like this?
What angers me most is that Jaja still has my father and sister captive. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Don't worry. I have a plan. Very soon, we will have nothing to bother. So smile. Be cheerful.
Child, thank you so much, John. I really want to thank you for everything you have done for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. The bottom line is that you are now smiling. Now, let me ask you, have you tasted a dry meat before? Because I'm going to give you one. It's very dry. Don't worry, I'll give you that. You smile always for me.
I don't want to think about a dry meat.
Don't worry, I have plans. But you and other things. I don't know, you are such an elegant, young, beautiful woman. You never cease to amaze me.
Thank you. Even me, Felicita, me, I am amazing myself too.
You should really amaze yourself. Yes. Imagine the way you dance or listen to anything that comes out of your stereo, as long as there's a white man's voice there. Even news.
Let me tell you. My father, before he did it, he said if you want to know Oyibo man, if you want to go Obodo Oyibo, you have to listen to radio. Every day, my father, he listen to radio. So me, Felicita, I listening to radio too.
Come to think about it, this radio or this stereo of a thing, is it the only property your father left for you?
Bow. How? My father, he having plenty land, big houses everywhere. My father have plenty things, so my brother Bula.
Oh, well, don't mention that name here. Come to think of it, how do you cope or how do you live with this, your brother's strange attitude?
My brother Bula, very nice person, and he protecting me. He very work hard, very well.
I see, hard working. Well, I would love to be his friend. Can you help me?
Bow. My brother, I know liking anybody friending him. You know even talking to me. Only my Stellio, my friend. But he protecting me and fighting me everywhere, every time.
Enough of this, your brother. Anyway, I came to your house because of you. Yes, and I ordered you to see me out or to escort me. It's not because I cannot go home. There is something I want us to discuss in confidence, discuss in private. Stay with me. I came because I missed you. Now I want to know if you missed me too.
I'm missing you.
You are missing me? Okay. You said that you love to listen to the voice of the white man and that you are eager to have a handshake with white men. Now, if you give me a kiss, I will tell you how the Pussycat went to England to have a tea with Queen Elizabeth.
Ewo, Pusu have go Igbo man land.
Yes.
And Felicity is stay in this village. How? Telling me now, telling me.
No. A kiss first. Then I'll tell you.
Telling me first, I kissing you later.
No. Parade to take a kiss.
Telling me first, I kiss you later.
A kiss first.
Oh, John, you funny me.
Parade to release and compliment to the kiss. Artist. Yes, I promise to tell you a story. Now the story goes like this. Pussycat, where are you going? That's a question. Now the Pussycat replied, I am going to London. Now another question. London for what? As a smart pussycat. The pussycat replied, London for medicine. Now the question continues. Medicine for what? Ow. Now the pussycat replied, medicine for cough. Now the same question, the man repeated another question. Are you coughing? As a smart pussycat, he said, yes, I am coughing. Now the man threw in another question, heavy one. Can you cough? And the same pussycat said, yes, I can cough. Now start to cough. And the pussycat started displaying the cough.
Sorry.
No, I'm just trying to end the story. The pussycat has gone to England to see Queen Elizabeth, and they're still here. Imagine.
Please come and eat this food. Here is your food. You better eat this food because nobody's coming here to save you. Not even one person, your parents, nobody's coming. So you better eat your food now. And lest I forget, don't even think of escaping from here. Because if you get past through this door, you cannot get beyond that gate. With you and that, you're stubborn something.
See here? I have to take you somewhere where we will be safe till I think out something good. Are you with me? Just don't make noise. Don't worry, don't shiver. Let's go fast. Come. Let's go fast.
What have my family done to Jaja? Or is it a crime to be poor?
No. Poverty has no role to play in this your case. Jaja is very mean and heartless. And he can go to any extent in order to exhibit his wickedness. Bear that one in your head.
But why is nobody doing anything about it? And everyone is scared of him. Hey.
Knowing fully well who Jaja is, this your question remains invalid. Jaja himself is the government, and his word alone remains the law in this community. No one challenges him.
All I know is that Jaja will never get away with this. Jaja will never go. He will pay for it.
Amen.
God will punish him.
Amen. Go there. Wait for me while I move down there to look for a place well convenient for you to sleep tonight.
Okay.
Down there.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
tighten your belt. You gotta go home, sit down, look at your expenses, come clean with Debbie.
Oh, God. I can't tell Debbie.
You gotta tell her, Pete.
I mean, she knows it's bad, but she has no idea just how bad.
If you sell the house, it'll really buy you some time.
No, Debbie's not really into selling the house.
As your business manager and your friend, I can't recommend that. Hey, how funny would it be if I bought your house?
Bye.
Hang in there.
From the retro label Unfiltered comes the first Graham Parker in the rumor record in 30 years.
When we played together, the magic was just ridiculous, and I think what we got is just so great.
What are you doing?
What kind of problem is this? How long will you continue listening to these things without even hearing? Look at even what they're doing. What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Why can't you concentrate? Must you be listening to stereo each time you're doing something, even when you're selecting your bands?
I'm not writing it though. Giving me back my stereo. I'm busy. I keep telling for evenings lady. You come here correcting my stereo. I'm not writing it though. Giving me back my stereo.
Listening to radio or stereo cannot make you to see the white men. You cannot see them. Let that get into your skull.
If I know seeing white man, I listening to my stereo. White man talking to me. White man talking to me. I listening.
Do you
I hearing his voice.
Do you even understand the language they are saying? For instance, yesterday on BBC, I heard that both the England and the Queen of England have been transferred to Cameroon here. She's now the Queen of Cameroon. You see?
Queen Eliza is going Cameroon.
Exactly.
It's not foreign. Queen Eliza is coming Zula very, very soon.
No.
Cameroon not foreign from Zula.
No.
Hey!
No.
Waiting. That means very, very soon I call Queen Eliza, Queen Zula. Ow!
You don't understand.
Give him back my stereo. I know one missing house.
Wait.
I want to wear it, my fine clothing, the day she will be coming here.
Queen,
give me back my stereo.
Forget the radio. Queen of England will not come to Zula. You know why? Because the person who is in charge of Zula, who's supposed to protect the image of Zula, messed Zula up. And because of it, they would no longer take anybody from Zula. Package your happiness. Anyway, as a matter of fact, I came here.
You're right too much. You're right crying. You're right. Queen Eliza is coming Zula.
It's okay.
Zula no far Cameroon.
It's okay.
She's coming.
Please, I am here. I need your help. I'm into serious trouble. Please, Jaja men are looking for me everywhere now. Do you remember that Caroline, the daughter of Lazarus? Lazarus, the Cocoyam farmer. She ran into the Jaja's men. They started molesting her without doing anything. So, as the only Messiah in this Zula, I stood up. I stood on my ground and I fought them. I defeated them. I killed the guard. Can I stay in your house? Let me just stay here with her. Please.
I know talking. Giving me my stereo, I talk.
Take your stereo. Please, I'll just stay here so I'll think on what next to do, please.
You killing Jaja Onyenche, you learning coming here.
For safety.
Jaja, he killing my father. He killing my mother. Jaja, he killing everybody.
I know.
Only me and my brother Bula. Jaja have no kill. You learning here. You killing Jaja Onyenche. You want Jaja coming here to kill me and my brother?
No.
I know one thing it to. You killing Jaja Onyenche because of Kalo. Why you killing Zonyenche because of Kalo? Kalo, you're marrying. You marrying Kalo. Kalo, your motherland. I know green.
You know green.
I know green.
Please, just
I know green. I know green. Because of Kalo, you killing somebody, you coming here. I know green.
It's like your brother is not at home. Your brother. Just...
Looks like an old woman now. You're just mentioning a bunch of tandies. Keith Richard gets away with it. But that's because Keith Richard looked 70 when he was...
So you have been keeping a
And now that he's 70, he looks 60.
Forgive me. I don't know what he's talking of. His name is John. No fool.
You primitive swine.
All of you working with Jaja, you like it to speak English too much. Too much. You calling John. Fool. You calling me.
What are you waiting for? The instruction is to arrest anyone in connection to John. Arrest her!
I'm coming here. You are funny, making you not have sense in. You don't have sense in. Wicked people. You are wicked like Jaja. Wicked people. They want to kill me. Wicked people. Dinchago. You want to kill my radio. You cannot kill my radio. You cannot kill it. Come and kill me now. Come and kill me. Wicked like Jaja. Ndago. You want to kill my radio. The wrong mommy talking to Onyocha. Wicked people.
Caro, you have to stop crying. I told you that I will help you and I meant it. And you are still crying.
Can I ever stop crying when Jaja has robbed me of my happiness? The world means nothing to me without my family. I have grown up to love them, but today I can't find any of them. You are telling me to stop crying.
Caro, I understand you perfectly. But look at me, I'm here by your side. And I'll still be here till the end of all these things. Meaning that we shall fight and fight together.
I really want to thank you for everything, John. In fact, I wonder what I would have done without you by my side.
Thank you. First of all, let me put a smile on your face. A smile. Let me get you food. Let me fish. I got it! I got it! Look at it! Look at it, look at it. Easy, 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 easy. Let me bring it out.
What do you want from me?
Shut up, keep calm. I can take you out of here. Free.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How will you do it?
Not so fast.
one deserves another. Okay. How do you know? You scratch my back. And I scratch yours. All things being equal.
Take your hands off me, you pig!
We're the only ones here. Just do what is right. And I'll
over my dead body like this up. Excuse me.
To have a taste of the master's pie, right?
No, master.
You stupid idiot. Your dead father will continue to be a slave wherever he is.
Master, no. Master, please. Master, please forgive me. I promise it will happen again. It will happen again, Master.
Shut up, you swine. What sister are you talking about? What bloody stupid sister are you talking about? Your sister, that whore of a woman who ran away with a poor white man? Of course it would happen again. Let me see how you try to eat my pie. I said, let me see how you try to eat my pie.
Master.
Take him away.
Master. 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 Not bad. So let's see how strong it can be. Look at those there. Give me one. You don't die. You don't die. You don't die.